On March 10th, the 4th annual Adam Strongin Kids Fishing Tournament will take place at Cape Coral Yacht Club. The excitement starts at 8 a.m. and lasts until 1 o'clock. Fishing is open to children of all ages. All proceeds benefit the Adam Strongin Camp Scholarship Fund, helping kids attend the Eco Camp in Cape Coral. Entry forms are available on our Facebook page now. Don't forget that date, March 10th at 8 a.m. Join us for lots of fun and fishing in honor of Adam's favorite thing to do, go fishing.